Welcome to today's Tech Tip video. Today we're looking at the Simplified Interface. So new with the release of SolidWorks 2025 Service Pack 1 is the ability to change your current workspace to a simplified interface. The simplified interface streamlines the user experience to fit the type of document you're working with at the time. You can swap between traditional interface and the simplified version easily both before and after opening apart, assembly, or drawing files. So when we go to switch this into a simplified interface, we're going to go to our View command up here at the very top, find Workspace, and with Service Pack 1 of SolidWorks 2025, you will see your option here to toggle on Simplified Interface. Right now, this is in a part modeling environment, so we are limited to just this one tab, Basic Modeling Tools, which include Sketch, Line, Center Rectangle, Smart Dimension, as well as our features there, Boss Extrude, Extrude Cut, Fillet, Patterning, Mirroring, and so on and so forth. Also, we'll see on our heads-up view toolbar, our options are slightly more limited. We no longer have the scenes and graphics options. We really just see the part manipulation, pan, rotate, view orientation box, and display style. Over here on the left side, we see our feature tree is slightly more condensed. We just have the equations, material, our three basic planes, front, top, and right, as well as our origin. And just like a normal feature tree would function in a default SolidWorks workspace, we have our sketches and features all listed here. To tell that we're in a simplified interface, we can check our status bar down here at the very bottom left, bottom right. Right next to our document units, we'll see that it does say Simplified Interface. When we click on it, it will tell us where to toggle that on and off, and we can toggle that on and off at any moment. Our task pane over here on the side is also simplified. We have 3D Experience, Design Library, View Palette, and our Appearances, Scenes, and Decals. With the task pane as well as the feature tree, you can edit and add any additional information in there that you would normally like to see in SolidWorks. Just go into your system options and turn those options on. Like I said, we are in a part modeling environment, so we see our basic modeling tools. We can swap this to our drawing environment. The simplified interface shown down here at the very bottom. We have just one tab for our basic drawing tools, model view, projected view, auxiliary view, all of those additional options, smart dimensions, notes. So it's really just streamlining this down, condensing a lot of those tabs into just sort of your basic tools used in drawings. Swapping to an assembly environment, notice our command manager shrinks to just basic assembly tools, inserting components, moving, patterning, mirroring, mates, and again, just your normal tools that would fit in with our assembly modeling environment. Over here we see that the feature tree is very similar to how it was in our part modeling environment, where we have our equations, our planes, and our origin, as well as our components. We still have our mates there, and our task pane shows those limited tabs there as well. Like I said, we can turn this off at any moment. So if we're in a part, assembly, or drawing, go back to your view, workspace, and just toggle off Simplified Interface. This is really great for users who are new to SolidWorks. That can be a little overwhelming with all the different tabs and tools available to us. Sort of simplifies it, gives us more of an abridged version of SolidWorks that we can go ahead and start modeling with confidence in.